Welcome to Sure Hajj by Sure Data Solutions Hajj application and maintenance form. The form can be reached from the Hajj main menu through the first button using the list as shown as the mouse hovers over. The form is composed of a menu, a listing of applications, and details area. For detailed description of these three parts, please refer to the video titled Hajj Application Form Overview. This video is dedicated to how to create a new application. To create a new application, we click New, and the application form is shown empty, and you can see here that this is a new application, and its ID is 0, indicating it's a new application. Now, you have to select what package it belongs to. And obviously, if you click here, this button indicates always a kind of zoom or detail. So if you click on it, you see the details of that package. For reference on how to create the package and what it is composed of, please refer to the video regarding the packages. You enter the application name, the contract name actually, Ibrahim Shams, and the agent is a kind of recommender like mosque imam or whoever recommends clients to come to you. And if you select an agent, you can copy automatically the address of the agent through this checkbox. You can include or uninclude sacrifice, that's optional. Let's write the address 39, okay, T code. I'm sorry, I mislocated that. So here, sorry, T code, city, I'll select Toronto. Okay. Province, Ontario. Postal, K8Y7T0. Home phone, I'll say 416. You can enter the rest of the data. You can copy the emergency contact from the contact info by just checking this. And you can add optionally any notes regarding internal notes or flight notes, related notes, or accommodation, which applies to the whole application. And as you can see here, no passengers, and even the status here is basically empty. Then you have to click Save. Look at here, the passenger button and the processing button are both disabled. So you click Save and you save the application. The application shows up now in this list. Now, the second stage of entering the remaining data of the application is to select the application, and it shows here as an edit, and that's the new number it picked automatically. Now, we will enter the passengers to the application. To do that, we click on the passengers, which is enabled at the moment. You click New Passenger, and you start entering the passenger name, like last name is Shams, and first name is Ibrahim, and he is a male, adult, date of birth, December 12, 1990, passport number. You can enter these data, any data of these that you wish. There are some mandatory data which are basically what we entered now, but the others are optional. You can later on enter the passport number, issue, country, and all this stuff, or even you can import them from the passport data, as we will see in a separate video. Now you click Save Passenger, and sorry, the passenger is now saved. And it shows now in the grid. to add a new another passenger. Suppose we will add his wife, Ibrahim Shams's wife. I'll say add a new passenger here, and we'll say Mrs. and last name is Shams as well, and her name is Sophia, and she's a female. Birth date is November 11, 1997, and passport number, you can enter this as you wish, but in this case you have to enter a mahram for the lady, otherwise the system will tell you you have to, will force you to do that. So in order to enter a mahram here, you have to click here, and that shows you a drop-down list which will show the male in the application or the males in the application plus the group leader. Suppose the mahram will be Shams, so I'm going to select, and the relation is her, for example, husband. You can enter special needs if you want, and so on for the rest of the data. Then you click Save Passenger. The passenger is saved, and the list is clicked. You can at any time click here to see the data that you entered and update them. Click here to select to see the data and update it. Now, both were selected to be single room. Let's fix that. So I'll go to Mr. Ibrahim Shams. I will say they will select double room and save. Then I will go to Mrs. Shams and select double room as well and save. That way I showed you even also the updating or the editing of a passenger. Now, based on what you entered now and based on the definition of this package that you selected for the whole application, you can see the accounting. The accounting here shows right away 2 passengers in double room, unit price is this, and you have the total and the balance, right? And starting at the moment, you can make payments, you can adjust cost, and you can do anything, but these are all targeted by other videos. Thank you for watching, and waiting for you for the next